Welcome back to my channel, guys. So as you guys can tell, your girl got some braids in. So far I have it in for 2 weeks, and as you guys can see, I'll show you a close-up at the roots right here. You see the growth already from my from the time I did it, and this is only 2 weeks of growth.
All she cares about is money in the city where she's from. Her intention is the paper, she don't need no fucking love. She's spilling all this liquor, trying to pass me all these cups. Oh baby girl, I'm torn, and somebody should have told her
I'm gonna show you guys my routine. Normally I leave my braids in for like a month and a half. When I do a protective style, I focus on moisturizing my hair as much as possible, because even though we think we have a protective style, we don't really need to do anything to our hair, but that's really a lie, because you add in more hair into your hair, which is going to pull a lot of your moisture. At the end of the day, you don't want too much buildup or too much going on in the hair, and you just want a nice, neat, moisturized look. So the first thing I normally do is moisturize my scalp. It is very, very important to moisturize your scalp, because one, it will get rid of that itchy feeling that you constantly get once you have in a protective style, and also it will help your hair to grow a lot quicker and keep the scalp as moisturized as possible. Today I'm going to be using the Blueberry Curl Repetitive Leave-In Conditioner. I don't recommend using this too often because it has a white residue. I recommend using something very lightweight, clear. You can use a custard, you can use a pomade, anything that's clear and light to put on your scalp. Definitely do that, because you want to make sure you have a lot of moisture, but you don't want to have a lot of buildup. So I normally use this once every other week to just put onto my scalp, and if you're very lazy like me, you can get your niece to do it for you. Your ends are the driest parts of your hair. You have a lot of moisturizer on the scalp area, and now the ends are the driest and the coldest parts of your hair. So you want to make sure and get those edges. So what I'm going to be using today to moisturize the rest of my hair is going to be the As I Am So Much Moisture, and I love this product for this purpose because it's very, very lightweight. Like, it is incredibly lightweight. It's like a gel formula that glides onto your hand. It's very water based, as you guys can see, it's running off my hand right there. So you want to use that to go ahead and just apply to the rest of your hair. Now, next up question for you guys is, where exactly do I moisturize up to? And I say definitely moisturize up to where the hair starts getting really thin. Like this area, to the end of your hair, you really don't need to put any type of moisture on, because unless your hair is really that long. But my hair is definitely not reaching here. So I tend to stop like maybe in the center here, but that's just for the top part. If I'm doing the back, it'll be a little bit longer. You get what I'm saying? So you want to just make sure and try to figure out where your hair is, and just run that product all the way down. Today I'm going to be using the Design Essential Natural Coconut and Minoy Deep Oil and Deep Moisture and Oil Treatment. This is what I'm going to be using. It has a mixture of everything in there with argan oil and sunflower oil. So it's like a mixture of light oils, because you don't want anything too heavy, because like I said, these braids are going to be staying in your hair for a long time, and you don't want your hair to smell bad at all. So I'm going to go ahead, there's a slight bit of oil on my palm of my hands, rub it in, and just apply. And during the week, sometimes my hair tends to itch, or it looks a little bit dry and dull. I tend to use a spray leave-in conditioner, and this is the Black Vanilla Carol's Daughter leave-in conditioner. It's for moisture and shine, so it works perfectly for my hair during the week if I need a little bit more moisture. and also it smells absolutely amazing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was informative. I hope I was able to answer a few questions that you guys have. If I didn't really get to any points that you personally wanted to know yourself, definitely leave it in the comment down below and I'll get back to you. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my other video.